I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. I swear that I love it. I swear that I love it. Not to be cocky, but
you guys, as you can see, I'm in the process of about to get ready. What I am about to do is, if y'all been keeping up with me in my previous videos and stuff, y'all been noticing that I haven't been wearing makeup, and it's been like getting close to a whole year, like a whole year that I have not worn any makeup. I've been trying to focus more on just cleaning up my skin, getting it clear. I mean, I got it there close enough, but it's just I'm still working to get rid of the dark hyperpigmentation. Yeah, been working to get rid of that, and it's just like the sides of my face are just like, it's just a work in progress, because it's like I'm able to get the, like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know why they want to go away. Everything's been working right here, but then on the sides, it's just, no, we don't want to go away. So I'm just like, yeah, trying to figure out something. But yeah, I'm about to do it. Get ready with me. It's gonna be quick. I'm not gonna do too much. It's with makeup, of course. Makeup, of course. I haven't worn makeup, like I said, and it's been like, I don't know how many months, almost close to a year. Yeah, but y'all, let's get started. So I've washed my face already, and yeah, I don't even know where to start. It's like, do you even remember how to do makeup, girl? Like, I'm going to put some moisturizer on my face. And yeah, if you have bad, well, I mean, everybody should do this if you wear makeup, but for those who have like acne bad, I would suggest getting a moisturizer as well as a primer. I'm about to do that, but this is what I use: Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer for sensitive skin, because y'all, my skin is really sensitive, like very sensitive. Elf tone adjusting face primer, get a little bit of that, go in on my face with that as well. Starting on my eyebrows, I'm going to powder them because they tend to stay better when you do that. Put a little powder on them. What I like to do is really actually like mix my foundation together. So I got LA Colors liquid makeup. One is cappuccino and one is cocoa. And I like to mix them along with a little bit of my liquid NYX Pure Gold liquid illuminator. I'm gonna go in with my pencil first. LA Colors eyeliner and brow pencils, just black brown. So I'm gonna go in with that first. And I'm gonna just outline like the ends. This color right here. I'm going to go in right here, you know, just get that little brownish look. LA Pro concealer, this one is the Toffee, and I'm going to do my eyelids real quick. And I'm going to just do a little. I don't want to do too much because just a little. And see what I did? I went over with my went over the concealer with my foundation, because I just don't be liking that to be too light under my eyes and around my face. Because as you can tell, if you take a picture and you turn on the flash, you guys, if your makeup's not flash proof, then sis, it's not for you. That's a must. Flash proof is a must. Makeup flash proof is a must, you guys, because I mean, it looks horrible in pictures, and it's happened to me before, and then that's why I was just like, I gotta make sure that it doesn't happen again, because that is, I mean, let's be real, y'all. Be looking like a ghost. Some people don't be telling people, and I mean, it's the honest God truth. Be looking like a ghost, and that's my thing. It's just like people do your makeup, and then it's just like they just put that on your face, and then it's like it's basically blending and putting too much. Because if you put too much, and then it's gonna be caked up on your face, so of course you look like a ghost. And then it's like if you don't blend enough, and it's like you definitely gonna look like a ghost. I had to learn that the hard way. My mom's told me. I mean, one day she was like, sis, that's not it. It's like, nope, that is not it. And I'm glad she tells me before I even go out the house, because I don't want to be looking like a clown. And that's the thing nowadays. People don't be telling people that they be looking like clowns with the makeup on. And that's just kind of sad, because, I mean, they're supposed to be your friend. Yeah, it's supposed to be your friend. And they don't tell you. And that ain't real. That is not real at all. Take my dark concealer, a little right there, right over there. Like I said, go over back with the foundation. You know, and this helps with the blending as well, because it's like with the finishing powder, you just putting it everywhere, and it's like, you know, taking the colors and stuff, putting it together on your face. I want to go now onto the hair. Y'all, when I wear like my twist ties and stuff, this will be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, today's 5 days of me wearing this twist tie, and it still looks pretty good. How I keep my twist ties like how they are is just like I do one on this side, one on this side, and then I do one in the middle, depending on how I'm gonna style it, to keep my curls instead of having them mush down. That's basically what I do. So, castor oil, put on the ends, just rub it like this. That's really been keeping my hair from getting frizzed up, because normally my hair would have by now, well, second day would have frizzed up, and I would not be still being able to wear my hair like this. Same as on this side. I'm gonna take some of my Hawaiian silk, some on my hands, work it into my hair, get all over, good. This stuff is good for reviving curls and getting them, you know, after you probably know, like, you know, like I said, laid on them or worn them out. My wide tooth comb to the end, shake it again. Then pick it back up. Then come towards the ends of the hair and just pick it out.
too. Girl, you addicted and I need you. She say, babe, I'm